All right, going to give a quick review of this gyuto, the chef's knife. All right, we're gonna be doing the unboxing together. I obviously came with a little wrap around like this entire box. I took out the wrap, and I'm gonna open up the box like for the first time, right, along with you guys. All right, so we just slide this piece out. All right, very nice. All right, you got like the octagon handle style. All right, is this a gyuto or I mean it's not weighted like a deba, but it looks more like a deba style knife. All right, I think. Wait, hold on. Yeah, it is a gyuto. All right. Looking at the sharpness, I mean, I think it could use a little bit of sharpening, right? Because this is a double-edged blade. This is a double-edged blade. And, all right, let me see. Ooh, can I actually cut anything? Hold on. All right, no, let's just see. All right, it does come out nice and sharp out of the box. Effortlessly, all right? Doing cuts, right? Okay. All right, very nice knife, okay? All right, good feel, like the balance is right around here, right? Hey, get away, get away. I'm sorry, my cat likes to get involved with everything. But yeah, balance is right around here. Right around here is not, I mean, it should be like back here, but this is good enough. I mean, if you hold it in a pinch grip right around here, it feels really good, okay? Yeah, I prefer it down here, but like this is pretty comfortable also, all right? So, okay. All right, nice feeling handle, right? Yeah, very nice knife, like very nice.